You're going to see when I spin this, because right now I'm spinning it and it's bringing the door out. So you see that? It's moving that door out. Hi, my name's Jason. I'm going to be teaching you today how to adjust hinges. The hidden European style hinges that are in cabinets in your kitchen, maybe in your bathroom. I'm going to show you how to adjust them, get them just right. Let's get started. Here is our door front right here, and this is our cabinet side. Now we're going to rotate it and make it look like you're inside the cabinet. So we open the door and boom. The door side is the part with these hinge cups. That's this right here and this right here. These are the Blum and they're really neat because they're black hinges. Most of the hinges that you normally see are going to be like the silver color, like this. Same exact thing. Okay, now most hinges have 3 ways of adjusting. Now with the door closed, we're going to look at it. Now this door, we can make it go up and down, which means up and down. We can make this door go in and out, which means this door can come away from the cabinet carcass or go towards the cabinet carcass. And then we can also, looking at the front of it, we could bring this door this way or this way. So we can really rotate this door. So say there's a double door here, we can make these doors rack, unrack, line up, all that good stuff. Now, these are the screws which do everything. This first screw, which is going to be the one all the way on the inside of the cabinet, so let's open this up so you can get an idea. This is the door. I know these are the same size, so it makes it a little weird, but it's not. So this screw right here is going to bring this door away from the cabinet or into the cabinet. So when we close it, if you look very carefully, I'm going to leave it kind of open, you'll be able to see. Well, we'll let it close because that's what it wants to do. Now watch right here. You're going to see when I spin this, because right now I'm spinning it and it's bringing the door out. So you see that? It's moving that door out. Now if I do the same thing to the bottom one, we just open the reveal of the cabinet. So what that is on the side of the cabinet, you'll have a gap now here. And see, now I'm going to close them back, and maybe you could see it better at this angle. See, it's bringing it up here in the top, and then we're bringing the bottom one in like that. So boom, now we just tighten up that gap. So that's the first way you can adjust these. The second way is going to be in and out. So that's going to be the screw that's always closest to the door. So let's open this door, and the screw that's the closest to the door here is what's going to really bring this hinge away and bring the door this way or this way. Now we'll put the door here so you can actually see with the side of the cabinet what it could do. Now I'm bringing it over. Now you can see how it moved. So that door just got racked. So boom, look at that. So now say your door looks like that and it's crooked and you're not sure how to get them all lining up. What you do is the front screw, the screw closest to the door, is the one you're gonna mess with. Now when you go in like righty-tighty, it's gonna bring it this way. So we just fixed it. As you can see, we just lined it back up. Now if you go lefty-loosey, it's going to bring it away. So there you go. And then we could do the same with the bottom one. And then see, now we can get them to line back up. And look at that. Now we have an even reveal all the way down with a slightly different reveal here. So that's very cool. And that's all with these front knobs, screw holes. And that's all with the front adjustment piece. Now we just did that all with this front adjustment right here. Now the third adjustment is going to be in one of 2 places. Some of these hinges, if you look right inside here, there's a third screw hidden there, and these are cam adjustable. That's what's going to bring them up and down. And then the same, these are 2 different hinge plates but the same exact hinge. So as you can see, there are a lot of variations you could have with different hinges and different combinations. But there's the third screw hole, the third screw adjustment, which is right there. They both do the exact same thing, and that's going to be bringing the door up and down. Now if you look real closely, when I'm turning it, it's bringing it up and down. You can see the hinge move. So same thing with this one. These are cam adjustable. So if I turn this one, it's going to see it just drop the hinge down. And then I'm going to turn this one, and it dropped the hinge down. Now same thing, if I want to bring it up, the whole door up, it's going to bring the hinge up. So I go left, and boom, you see that hinge is moving. And whatever I do to that one on the bottom of it, I'm going to want to do the same rotations on the top. So there, as you can see, we just flush these out using that third screw hole. And for the bonus factor, if you have a soft close door made by the Blum company, they're really, really neat because you can turn them off and on. So there's a little switch here, and all you do is flip the switch, and you can hear it click, and then watch, you'll hear it kind of make some noise. So we just turn the soft close off on that one hinge. So now when we close it, it closes a little faster. Pretty neat. That way, depending on the size of your door, you can turn one off, turn one on. Now if I turn them both off, we now have just self-close. Slam. Boom. And then so now if I turn one on, it's instant when you turn them on. Flip it, it flips this little thing, and then boom, we have now soft close. And now if you have a really heavy door, turn them both on, and then, or you just really want it to close very slowly, look at that, soft close. Okay, that brings us to our end of our how to adjust your cabinet door hinges. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please hit like, subscribe, tell your neighbors, tell your friends. We'll make another video soon. Bye.